guys, welcome back to the HTML5 tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how can we add a M tag, strong tag, small tag and big tag. So it's like the italic tag, bold tag and underline tag, but somewhat different. It has very slight difference only. So let us go and start it. So as usual, I'm clicking my Visual Studio Code. Let me screen it and let me click preview. Where's that? Command palette. So preview. So there you can see I open my preview. So let me give it a title. So M tag, strong tag, small tag and big tag. We have 4 tags right now. So let me remove this tag from here. So I remove that tag. So let me start it. So now I'm going to start with the M tag. So EM. So M stands for emphasis. So M is somewhat nearby to italic, but it's being used as an alternative for italic, as it has some more additional properties. Most of the web designers mostly use M tag instead of I tag, because I tag, which is italic tag, always tells the browser to make the text look italic in cursive format, but M tag also tells the browser that the text also needs to be in italic. At the same time, it's an important text. So the browser understands that the text is important. So this is the feature of M tag. So let me type italic again. Italic. So it is in italic format, but it tells the browser that it's an important text. So that's actually the specialty of this tag. So let me come to next tag, which is strong tag, S-T-R-O-N-G. So strong tag. The usage of strong tag is that actually strong, like how M and italic tag both were nearby same, like that strong and the bold tag are nearly same actually. Both do the same function. Bold tag and strong tag actually makes the text look bold or strong, but M tag as an strong tag as an edge over bold tag, because strong tag, like M tag, it also does the same thing. It tells the browser to make the font look bolder, and also tells the browser that the current text is an important one. So let me type strong. So you could see it's again bold, but it tells the browser that the current text is much important. So sorry, strong and strong. So it tells the browser that it's an important text. And third is small tag. So it's SMALL. Small tag, if you could see, I'm writing SMALL, and again I'm opening big tag actually. Big tag, so BIG. So the main difference here is that small tag actually makes the text look small. Instead of using H1 or H2, H5 or H6, you can directly go for small tag. So you could see that the small elements represent side comments such as small print. So it's like that. Instead of typing H5, H6, you can directly type small and code it. So this is the usage of small tag. And big tag, it's also like that. Instead of you're using a H1 or H2 tag for making the text look big, you can directly go for a big tag. So for H1 and H2 tag, you can use big tag as an alternative for it. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Hope you would like this. Please like, share and comment. See you in next video.